Bitcoin just exploded overnight. So today we will answer the question with DavinciJ15, the one and only one, whether this is already the end or whether we will go higher. So we will answer the question, how high can we go, in which exact time frame? So DavinciJ15, without any further ado, we want to come to the most important question of today. You in Miami, we are here at the Côte d'Azur. How are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great, man. The Moon Boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. Moon Boys are back in town. Wow, Chris. Yeah. Stop buying Bitcoin. Really.
We are not only back in town, we are back in the order books, man. And we are pumping the price as high as possible. So, man, a lot of people have been reaching out to us. Is that already the end? Because I want to remind the people in the last episode, you actually said, I won't wait for 8,500 with my whole capital. You will be nibbling down starting at 9,500, 400, 100, and then nibble down to 8,500. And you are waiting for the price to go approximately to 12,000 during the weekend. And look there, Da Vinci, 11,700 during the weekend. Well done. You are probably in profits, even though you are sad that you didn't get all your buy orders hit. But, man, profit is profit. So now we can answer the question, is that already the end, or will we go even higher in the short term? Because we have a lot of Moon Boys out there in the MMCrypto family. Smash the like button, guys.
Yeah, exactly. I know. Smash those like buttons, Moon Boys, because I know there's a lot. I think that's 90% of all of our subscribers here. So with that being said, I'm sure you Moon Boys want to know exactly what's going on with the price and where we can see Bitcoin go even further. Well, as you can see, there's a lot of days, green candle days here, especially today's date. You notice that we bounced off of this weak trend lines that I drew here at the top that I thought we were gonna come to around $12,000, and we almost got to 12,000, but that's good enough. You know what? I didn't have to have an exact number; just had to get close to that area. And so we got there, and now I'm looking at the overall chart, looking at what's going on here. What is really going on? And I've noticed that the 38.2, this was drawn from all the way from the top here of 14,000, almost 14,000, all to the bottom of 3,100. And when we're in a Moon Boy ish style uptrend, 38.2 usually doesn't get broken with Bitcoin. So you can see that we've not broken through the 38.2. And also, to say you got to wait for the 38.2 result to decide what the direction of the Bitcoin of a price chart. So yeah, this is definitely a decision. This has already been decided. Right? It doesn't like the 38.2. It's not going to see it again, and that's that. So
yes,
yeah, that's a great thing to look at if you're a Moon Boy out there, because I don't think we're going to come back down to 9,500. Believe it or not.
Wow. Wow. So what you are saying right now is that we are most probably not going to go back to 9,500. So not only that the price of 8,500 is probably not going to get hit, also 9,500 is right now not in the most likely scenario anymore.
Exactly.
Wow.
So what we could possibly look for in a down, any kind of downtrend that comes our way is probably around 9,000. What is that? 90. Okay, wait a second. 94.
Not even we can see it. We really have to read the numbers.
Oh, wait a second here. I might be right. Well,
9,500, yeah.
See, here's the thing. It could come back and test the 9,500, because I did a trend line here, and I thought, well, you know what, this trend line was steep enough, but it's not. So we could possibly come back for one more test. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to take that back.
Yeah, but what's the likelihood for that scenario? Of course, we want to try to stay objective, not just call the Moon Boyish, biggest Moon Boyish predictions out there. But do you think there is a big likelihood attached to that scenario of us going down to 9,500 again, maybe a third time?
No, because we don't. I mean, that would be really a fourth time. So I mean, Here's the thing: markets like to give you a very very gracious when they give you like second and third chances, but very stingy to give you a fourth and fifth chance.
Yeah, you said that before. I remember. You said that before.
So be careful if you want to hold down. If you want to wait for your buying opportunity down here, it's going to be very, very low probability. Is it possible? Yes. The probability is just low. Now, again, I did a what's it called, a meetup with a bunch of people yesterday actually. And one of the things they said, okay, well, you know what, if you're holding for like 100,000, right? Well, what does it matter if you buy 10,000, 11,000, or 12,000, right? And I said, yeah, you're right. What's a few thousand between friends? Right? So yeah, I mean, that's where we're at right now. Bitcoin's moving in the $1,000 movements in a couple of days.
In a day, dude. So it's so crazy, man. But yeah, in the end, like if it's really going to 1 million to 5 or 10 million in a scenario of a currency crisis, what does it really matter? But that's also why we are saying a big part should be in a long-term holding portfolio where you do not really care. Maybe you cost average in if you are taking like monthly wages or so. But then you have the trading portfolio where you actually satisfy your needs of, like, I don't know, speculation and so on. And I always say that the trading portfolio is there so you can satisfy your needs and you can protect your holding portfolio so you do not touch it. And in the end, you obviously want to be successful in trading also. And now we covered the lower points, whether we will go lower, if so, what probability. But what many people are asking right now in that exact moment is, can we go higher in the short term? Was that already the end? So what is actually your price target if it is going more to the upside for good? Do you think we have any specific price targets we can keep an eye on for long positions maybe?
Well, looking at the 4-hour, right, we can see that we have no divergence, right? We were setting up a little bit of a divergence at this point here, but the Moon Boys were like, no. And so they broke the divergence. And so now we've got nothing. So that means no divergence to the bearish divergence. So that means higher. We're going higher. We're probably going to be touching this upward trend line here. That's a scary thing. Look at that. We're going to go all the way up to 61.8, and maybe even
what's the price target?
Take out the 61. This is like trending up really fast. So that means we'll probably, if we say by the end of this week, let's see here, what the days are that? That's the 8th of somewhere in between the 12th of August or more, or the 13th, we might see a new high. And that's scary. Why? Scary.
The best thing is we will meet up on the 14th of August or now on the 15th. So we can have some nice champagne or maybe just a whiskey or so together watching the prices. What is actually the 61.8 as a price target, like in exact numbers, because some people cannot read the numbers on the chart?
Well, the 61.8 is now is still relevant, but let's see here. It's $13,360. But with all the Moon Boys out there, probably just gonna get more.
So wait, please let me set that straight, and let me try to ignore your Moon Boys jokes. Let me try to get that straight. So you are saying that up until the mid of August, maybe approximately, where we will be in Hamburg, we might see maybe even new highs, but at least hitting the old highs of $13,000, 13,000 point something US dollars.
13,700, I think it was our new high.
Exactly.
13,800. Sorry, yeah, 13,800. Yeah, so we might be up there by the 13th of August. Wow, that's crazy.
Man. Guys, everyone watching that, please smash up the like button if you satisfy those scenarios. If you really think that this is going to happen, let us know in the comments. If you disagree, let us know in the comments. We would love to actually see some discussions, see some objective discussions backed by arguments. We will jump into those discussions. So make sure you leave your thoughts in the comments. We want to, take part in that discussions as good as possible. Because we cannot onboard you guys on the video, you have to make noise in the comment section so we can hear also your thoughts. But DaVinci, this is such a great scenario, and right now it really like feels that the bullish momentum is coming back since a few days, maybe even a week or so. So it's really, really great to see that, and I want to take my time again to congratulate you on that great trade, because you had the perfect timing to decide, all right, maybe it's not right to wait with 100% for 8,500. Maybe it is better to nibble down. That was such a great decision. And man, you are not standing on the sidelines with that moonshot. So really, congratulations, DaVinci.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. But man, I would really like to get more low price Bitcoins. But now I'm like, okay, well, what am I going to do with this cash? Because I and now Bitcoin has broken out higher. And then everything is like over, all the indicators are oversold, but not in a territory where, hey, we can't go higher. So it's like, wow. I guess you just gotta look for J trades on the upward day trade. So I mean, we could probably do a bot trade here. Let's see here. This is really going to be difficult to find a trade where we can do like an AB equals CD higher. But we could probably look for one. I don't know. Do we have enough time to look for one?
Actually, not very much. Someone was just pointing to me. But maybe we can, if we can do a quick one, why not? If we can do a quick one, why not? But afterwards, we have to wrap it up. I don't want to, like, if they kick me out, I will just say, shh up. Okay. I don't want to get a strike from YouTube. So let's just do it. See what it tells us.
This gives us something decent here. This AB equals CD moonshot here, because this was supposed to be a downtrend and it did not turn out.
Yeah, let's clone it. Let's check it out.
Yes, let's see how this thing works out. I don't think
it would be amazing to see something like a price which makes sense with another theory we put out there, if it's in alignment,
I think it's too early to call this this particular AB. We'll see. Oops, where did my line go? Disappeared. Okay. Clone again.
Yeah, just clone it again. Let's see.
It's too early though. Just to call this AB equals CD, because it's like we gotta have a little bit of sideways action consolidation. Yeah, it's too early. We need to see some other kind of like downtrend that comes down a little bit, and then we could do a better CD. It's just too early for that.
No problem, DaVinci. We have to let the market settle a little bit. I mean, we just had the pump this night, but still we have a great prediction of 13,000 something, which is already great. No green screen magic today. And we have your prediction. We have a time frame. We have an exact price target. So thank you really much for taking your time in Miami. You could actually be out there on the beach, but you are here dropping your knowledge bombs on the heads of the lovely MMCrypto community. So thank you very much for that. Any last words before we wrap up today's episode, besides that everyone should definitely be following you on Twitter?
Yeah, they should be following me on Twitter and following me on YouTube as well. But also, if anybody is in Hamburg wants to meet up with us, right? Let's schedule like a time together so that we can go maybe at some sort of bar and we could all meet up, because I really enjoyed just chatting with the public. So please, I'd like to do that again.
Yeah, we will definitely do it. Everyone who wants to join us there should actually join our Telegram group. The link is in the description down below. And we will also do a lucky drawing for the VIP tickets worth $560 or so right today. We will put out the post today. So if you want to take part there, if you want to meet up with DaVinciJ15 with me and the lovely MMCrypto team, including Kero, our editor Marcel, and so on, you should definitely be joining our Telegram group, smashing up the like button, subscribe, and then let's meet up over there. Thank you so much for watching. DaVinci, any last words before we wrap it up?
Yeah, just trade with caution and don't get wrecked.
So thank you everyone for watching. We will see each other at the next episode of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, you get a $110 free bonus link from Bybit just by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. We will see each other at the next episode of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.
Bye.